Get perfectly clean clothes with every wash load when you choose this practical and efficient Grundig washing machine. The Aqua 40/40 Quick Wash allows you to complete a full load of laundry at 40 degrees in 40 minutes. Spend less time doing your laundry and more time doing the things you love. With an A++ energy efficiency rating, this washing machine saves up to 60% in energy consumption compared to other A-rated models. Notice the savings on your monthly utility bills while staying kind to the environment. With the touch control LCD display, you can clearly see the time, program and temperature settings that you've selected. Stay informed at all times and easily navigate the control panel with your fingertips. Featuring a 9 kilogram capacity, this Grundig washing machine provides excellent results while reducing your household energy consumption. Great for large family homes.